Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy S24 and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. Our first step to do that is from main menu, we must navigate to the Google Chrome. In it, we press 3 dots on the right corner and settings right there, where we have our password manager selection. There we can turn on or turn off by switch function as save passwords or auto sign-in, or we can manage our password which our smartphone remember, in this case to our Facebook account. We can press there and we can copy our username, in this case our email and password by this icon, and after we press this icon our smartphone show as password which remember. We can custom it by tap there and add some we need or delete something. We can delete all by this trash icon and confirm all by delete password, and we don't have any saved password right now. See you soon, bye!